In MagManager, you can set up email and other document templates by going to Settings and clicking on Document Templates. The templates in the System Documents tab are the ones that MagManager will automatically use in the required situations. So, the booking confirmation email template is sent out when you create or modify a booking for a client. The client artwork templates are used when you request artwork or artwork approval. The content assigned email template is sent automatically when you assign content to someone. And the invoice email is a template used for emailing invoices to your clients. The invoice template is a PDF, the standard document type, and this template is used for creating PDF files for your invoices. If you click on the required document template, you can easily customize the default text to suit your needs. The document templates allow you to use your own text and images, along with particular tokens, which are highlighted in yellow, and will be filled with the appropriate client data when the documents are sent. These tokens can also be edited easily, as you can see here. You can also preview the document to see what it will look like when the email or invoice is sent to your client. Ensure to click Save to save any changes you have made. Here is an example of a document template being used in MagManager. If I want to modify this booking by adding one more issue to it, I can then save and email it. This means that I save the booking and email the client to let them know. So I can see here the booking confirmation template is being used and the tokens are working correctly. The work is all done for me, so I can click Send Email and the job is done.